So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So let's take a look at what EURJPY is going to be giving us for the day. But before we go ahead to do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you not yet subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend right here on our EURJPY. So first thing first, guys, before you take a trade, you need to know what your trend is, right? First thing, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. That is what you want to be doing. First, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. What can we say the trend is on our EURJPY? This is very clear and this is very simple. EURJPY is in an uptrend move. We are what? In an uptrend move. Market is what? Pushing to the upside. That is our trend. Now, to trade with the trend, we need to go ahead to go buy. So basically, since it is moving up, we need to look for a buy setup. Now, let's start with this movement right here, guys. So now, guys, this you can see this to be our higher high, and this you take a look at it to be our higher low. This is the new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. So this is our higher low right here. So which has dropped to give us a double bottom right here. So this is the first touch, and here comes the second touch. That's giving us a double bottom. Now with such a movement, markets push up to break the neckline, right? So with such a movement, we should expect market to continue, right? It is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our EURJPY. So if you are in the buy, look to go for the buy. But if you are not set in the buy, you can look to if you are not set in the buy, you can look to go for the buy. But if you are in the buy already, still hold your buy position as markets will still push up. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates. Like and share and make your comments also.